Okay guys, this is Miko Santos from Style of Life and the Side Street. I'm here again for another exciting unboxing of another smart gadget. Alright. Okay, the last time I done was the Sonos one, which is built-in Alexa. So that's the one I've done. The last one is Alexa, a built-in Alexa and Sonos. I'm just gonna zoom in the Sonos. See the Sonos, but we're now doing another one. So Alexa, play Spotify.
Resuming Spotify.
Yeah, sounds good. So the quality of Sonos one is good. The audio is good, and plus the Alexa, built-in Alexa, it's good. Alexa, stop. Okay, now we're opening another. They call this Nest Protect. It's a smart smoking alarm, and she can tell you if there's a carbon monoxide danger, and she can also speak to you what's wrong and where the problem is. How cool is that? Alright, so I'm gonna unbox it now for you. Hope you enjoy it. So I'm just gonna a little bit adjust my camera. Alright, and then after that, our friend from JD Electrical Solution will show us how to install this. Oh, by the way, you need a qualified sparky or electrician to install this because this is a wired connection. You can also buy an office work or Harvey Norman a battery one. So there's a long life battery. So if you can see, there's a battery, but I prefer. Okay, oops, sorry. So I'm opening it now. Ooh, pretty excited, yeah! Okay. Put that away. I'll throw it in the bin. So that's the Nest Protect. So I'm just gonna open that. Okay, so it say here must be connected to 240 volt AC wires. Nest Protect means connected should be installed by a professional electrician. So as I said, someone who know how to do it. Okay. Oh, okay. What is this? So probably a guide. I'm just going to put this up a little bit. So that's the guide. Might be how to welcome. It's a welcome home. Let's get started. So it's a guide how to do it. So you have to test before you install. Turn off the main power. So everything is in here. Okay. Just gonna put this back. Put it back. So that's the guide. And this is the Nest Protect. How cool is that? So just gonna be careful. So that's the plate. So you need, that's a plate. Okay, so that's everything. So I'll show you next time with my electrician. All right, to install it. So I'll ask my electrician to install that, and pretty much that's it. Thank you so much for watching. So you can please like me at my Facebook page and my YouTube channel as well, and also please visit my website at mikosantos.com. That's MIKOSANTOS.com for more information. So that's the unboxing. So wait for another video on how to install the Nest Protect. Thank you so much. Enjoy.